is the difference after installing the 25mm spacers on your Jetour Traveler? Will Jetour Traveler wheel spacers make a difference? If you are interested in buying new offset rims for off-roading touring, you may have run across 4x4 wheel spacers. By spacing the wheels out, 4x4 wheel spacers solve rubbing problems easily and quickly. The Jetour Traveler wheel spacers are auto accessories that add more inner wheel clearance. Whether you are upgrading to wider tires or bigger performance brakes, keeping the back spacing correct will avoid most rubbing problems. Simply put, 20mm to 35mm is the best size range for Jetour Traveler wheel spacers. If you want to have more accurate data, it is better to measure the wheel gap. By increasing the track width, the contact point of the tires are enlarged, which results in more stability and smoothness. For most car mode lovers, these Jetour Traveler wheel spacers are the easiest and most cost-effective way to get a more aggressive stance. Before installing wheel spacers for your Jetour Traveler, it is important to check that the spacers have the correct size of the hub and bolt pattern for your Jetour Traveler. Simply put, the Jetour Traveler wheel spacers are almost the same as many low offset wheels. The best part is that a set of 30 wheel spacers can provide similar effect as offset wheels but cost less. Just like the wheels, forged aluminum is better than cast steel. BONOSS active cooling Jetour Traveler wheel spacers are made of high quality forged 6061T6 and 775T6 aluminum alloy. After the unique super forging process, the strength, hardness, and the toughness are greatly enhanced. Since aluminum alloy has good thermal conductivity, the aluminum wheel spacers will dissipate brake heat better. BONOSS active cooling Jetour Traveler wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distributed in heater shape, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dispersal effect and improving road safety. After installation, these Jetour Traveler wheel spacers become an essential part of your wheels combination.